Hi, I started my journey. It means that right now I'm in railway station. So after later on, maybe 4 p.m. that time I'll have to catch the train. So as you can see, outlook of mine, and I have hanged one bag on my holder, and I came by lift, and till now it's times 2 p.m. So it means that for 2 hours ago I reached railway station. Okay, so it means what I'll do, I thought that I'll have to take a lot of things, I mean brush as well, brush, food I'll not take. My sister-in-law, she prepared a lot of things for me for eating on the train, because whenever I traveled anywhere, I haven't taken anything from on the bus, on the train. किधर से आपको कितना में जाना, 2 में ना 1 में? 2 में मिलेगा. रुकिए. Okay, so right now you can see she is sister, not sister, I can consider sister, because she wants to go to Delhi, and actually she's going first time or second time, but when I was coming, so that time I met with her. So everything she was telling me that actually I don't have much knowledge related to train, when to start and how to journey. And I told to her that okay, don't worry dear, I'm here, just consider me, I'm your brother, and I'll try to help you as much as possible. Okay, so it means that there she was little bit confused, asked me that which one platform that train will arrive. Okay, I told to her that यहाँ से होके जाएंगे. Okay, and that train will be arrive platform number 2. So that one, platform number 2, we are going to visit. And where I want to visit, I'm in my working place. I haven't make call to my owner, but before starting my journey, I told to everyone, I mean that as well, I took picture of ticket and I sent. Okay, so but I have a selfie stick, I mean making video making stick, but that one I have kept on my back. So after taking whatever I have required, I mean brush as I told you, and one I will have to take one bottle for carrying water, for drinking water. For that purpose I'll have to visit any shop. वो है 2 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म. ओके, हाँ देखिए 2 नंबर लिखा हुआ है. Okay, so I'm going to take something, because while on train, because last time what happened here, I haven't carried anything, so that time I faced a lot of difficulties, and I don't want to repeat that. Those are problems again and again. Okay, so I'll try to ask to them. भैया ब्रश दीजिएगा, एक कोलगेट दीजिएगा, और जीप साफ करने के लिए वही दीजिएगा, और जीप साफ करने वाला भी. Here I'm asking to home that, but I don't know how much they will charge. According to me, 5. ये कितना का है? वो भी दीजिएगा, ब्रश भी दीजिएगा, कोलगेट भी दीजिएगा. कोलगेट. Yes. So I have taken, these are things you might be getting, and I don't know how much they will charge me. So could you tell me, sir, what is the Okay. कितना हुआ आपका?
यही 60 रुपये
आइए.
अस्सी दिला दीजिए अभी
I was asked 50 rupees. Okay, so I don't have, chance. So I will have to take out from my purse. I have kept here, but I don't know there would be or not. But I'm pretty sure that there would be. So yeah.
वीडियो बना रोकिए इधर आइए आपको गाड़ी में नहीं
Okay, so now I will have to visit railway station. I have taken these. I think you can say that it is a bottle, water bottle. So this time I was given actually in a very cold water. So I told to him that no, dear, it's a winter season. So try to give me normal water. So I was given this one normal water. Okay, so it would be better for drinking because after drinking cold water, so very difficult to I don't know, sometimes it will start nose running. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of people. They also want to go to, I can say that I don't know where they want to go, but according to me, earning purpose, they want to go another state. Okay, so I don't have much knowledge about railway station, but my train is at 4 p.m. Okay, 4 p.m. So that time before my train time, can I go or not? But I don't know. Let me go there, and if anything happens with me, then definitely I'll try to tell you as well, make you understand. Okay, so as I told you that it was my it is location of Kishanganj station. You can see how is the Kishanganj railway station. Okay, and you must be getting, and here I would like to tell you dear that if you don't have much knowledge as well, you don't have much confidence, so try to make it work. And I'm pretty sure that you must be getting which kinds of confidence right now I have, because I have gathered due to making vlogging videos, due to making videos in public place. So like that I build my confidence as well. I started making videos as well. That's how I am trying to brush up my speaking on my this time. Okay, so you can also see, and I don't know why they have kept here. Oh my god, so you can see it is a dustbin, how they have make it is very dirty, and wine as well, cigarette were in a packet of unusable. Those are things they have kept on that on inside that dustbin. Okay, so let me, like, I don't want to make long videos. I want to make longer videos, but it's 10 minutes videos. So why I don't want to make videos very longer? Because I know that while editing time or uploading time, it will consume a lot of MB. So that's why I don't want to make very lengthy videos. And I'm pretty sure that if you are keep watching my videos since I started to till now, then only you can understand about me as well. You can observe about me that where I am going today. Until now, bye bye, and keep watching as well, keep supporting. Right now I'll have to go that area from where I came. Again I'll have to visit that area as well. I will have to do some work related to I'll not purchase anything, but right now I'm feeling to be that place. So as I told you that, and let me go that place, see if anybody is there. So definitely I will not do that work which one I want to do, but it's okay. So but little bit I am feeling shy due to people are watching me, people are staring me again and again. So that reason. But if there were someone with me, so definitely I would feel confidence more than right now. Okay, so till now, bye bye and keep watching. We will meet in another videos.